Hello. Here are some questions where we are supposed to find the order of the basicity of the nitrogen which are involved. So okay. Now, so in the first set of molecules, we can see that we have nitrogens. So clearly, one thing is standing out is the first carbon, where you have the plus I effect, and because of this plus I effect, the density of electron on nitrogen is going to increase, and therefore the best basic nitrogen would be this one. So we assign number 1 to it. Now understand, we might be tempted into thinking that since it is a lone pair and there is a plus I effect, and still it's a single one nitrogen, so it might be better. But that is not the case. What happens is, you can see in this molecule, this lone pair is not at all delocalizing. So that comes in second position, right? In the third one, we see that because of NO2, right, here in the third molecule we can see that it can actually have a tautomerism and convert into N double bond OH, right? So what happens is, this lone pair, because of this C double bond O in vicinity, is not able to remain at nitrogen. Therefore what we can see is that this will be coming at fourth position in order of basicity, and this would be in third positions. See, third and fourth, they both are very weak base, but then we have to understand the availability, which is much less in 4, and therefore we can say that, you know, the order would be, first is this one, this molecule, this is first molecule, then we have this molecule due to availability of lone pair and no delocalization, right? And then out of the last two, we can say that the delocalization is much more over here. There is more delocalization in this molecule, which is making it the least basic. Okay, right? So that is the thing. Now, in the second set of molecule, in this set of molecule, again we have to apply the same concept. So clearly in the first one, this is the first basic first nitrogen, which is supposed to be more basic because there is no delocalization, as well as you have plus I effect from both the sides. So this will be the first. As we have seen that the last would be this one, because we can see that it is in conjugation to C double bond O, not on one side but on two sides. So this will be at the fourth positions. Now we have to compare this and this. So NO2 is electron withdrawing, a minus R effect, therefore lone pair will be less. So second position will be this. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the order in which they are mentioned, right? Next, now here the next set of, now here in this set of molecule, we can see the most basic will be this molecule. And why so? Because if H attacks, H plus attacks over here and plus generate, it is stabilized by resonance, and moreover there are more than one basic centers over here. So this is the most basic nitrogen which is available. Now then we talk about this molecule being the strongest, the next strongest. Why? Because there is no delocalization, plus in fact we have plus I effect, which makes it electron rich nitrogen. Then we can see over here that this lone pair is available in least. Why? Because it's a part of a conjugation. So this should come at the fourth position and this should be at third position. And what happens, because of the steric hindrance, it is slightly away. So it is not in the same plane of benzene, therefore there will be a steric inhibition of resonance also, and therefore this will be more available as compared to the fourth one, this molecule, right? So if you have to compare, so this will be coming at third position. So isme sequence yahan pe it will be 3, 4, 1 and 2, right? Then comes the next set of molecule. Then we have the next set of molecule. Here we can see the more availability is there over here. So this will be the first molecule, because we can see the lone pair and plus I effect makes it the stronger one. Then the second one, one thing that we can say over here, that this is aromatic ring and therefore this lone pair is delocalized, so much less available. So this will be at the fourth position. Now we have to compare the first structure and the second structure. Note that it is a sp hybridized nitrogen, therefore percentage H character is more, therefore it is more electronegative and less prone to donate the electron pair. Therefore the basicity of this would be less. So this will come at the third position, so this has to be at 2 position, right? So that is the sequence. So we have to check first of all number of nitrogens. For example, if number of nitrogens are more, sites are more, and after attack of H plus they can be resonance stabilized, it is the most basic nitrogen. Then we have seen that if you have C double bond O in vicinity of NH, then it delocalizes lone pair to an extent which is much more than the NH2 which is attached to the benzene, and therefore that basicity is even less. Got that? And we have seen that in molecule like this, pyridine. So in pyridine system, this lone pair is not delocalized, right, and therefore much available. So all these factors will contribute towards understanding what can be the real trend in the basicity order.